Depending on the choice of material, veneers have different costs. It's a little less expensive to do what we call a chairside placement of a veneer out of composite resin, tooth-colored filling material, or what we call bonding. All those things are the same thing, but they're placed chairside while you're in the chair. We can also make veneers out of lab processed materials. Those are a little more costly, but they do last over time much better because they're color consistent, they don't stain over time. We provide excellent financing in the office, and if veneers are a direction you would like to go and you want better aesthetics, you want to be able to smile, you hide your mouth right now, and you don't want to have to do that anymore, we certainly can look at some different financing options for you that can help you achieve that.